Alright, welcome back to the channel. Got the 180 here. Rear fenders came in today. Got them just kind of sitting there mocked up, seeing what they look like. We're going to take them back off, sand them down, and do any body work before the final fit. I'm still waiting on my rib nuts. I ordered stainless rib nuts and stainless hardware for the wide body. That'll be here in like a couple days, so we're waiting on that. So in the meantime, let's get these pulled back off and sanded down. Alright, let's get these things pulled off. Alright, got it sitting on the body cart. Hopefully you can see this alright. I got a new tripod. I'm going to get these things prepped. Alright, got the first side sanded down. It's going pretty good. I'm not looking for perfection just yet. They're honestly not too bad for how cheap these things were. They were like 200 bucks for the set. There's a couple little spots I see. But I'm really just trying to get that gel coat off for that, the first layer of when they make these fiberglass parts, so the paint can actually stick to it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other side taken off. I'm going to sand that down, and then we'll start getting maybe some filler in here on some of these little spots, but pretty happy with it so far. Get this one off to the side. Alright, and there's our second one. Alright, same thing. We're going to hit it with 220. Look for any imperfections. Honestly, this one looks a little bit better than the other side. So, I have hope for this one. Fresh pad, let's go. Alright, had to switch cameras because the other one died, but we got both of them sanded down. They're looking pretty good. That's going to be it for today. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to get these rear over fenders primed, and then probably painted and mounted next video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.